Hey there, Mike. How's your day going?
Hey Sarah, it's going great. I'm excited to dive into today's AI news. There's so much happening.
Absolutely, Mike. We've got a jam-packed episode with updates from some of the biggest names in AI. Let's kick things off with Anthropic.
Sounds good. What's happening with Anthropic?
Well, Anthropic has just introduced web search capabilities for its Claude chatbot. Right now, it's in preview for paid users in the US, but they plan to roll it out more widely soon. This update allows Claude to cite web sources, which is pretty cool, and it's all powered by the Claude 3.7 Sonnet model. Plus, they're working on voice-based conversational features.
That's interesting. So does this mean Claude can actually browse the web and pull in real-time information?
Exactly, Mike. It's a big step forward in making chatbots more knowledgeable and interactive. Being able to cite web sources also adds a level of transparency and trust, which is crucial for users.
I can see how that would be useful. What's next on our list?
Next up is Accenture. They reported a whopping $16.7 billion in revenue for Q2 of FY25, with strong growth across the board. Their generative AI bookings are particularly noteworthy, hitting $1.4 billion, up from $1.2 billion last quarter.
Wow, that's impressive growth. How are they managing to achieve this?
Accenture's CEO, Julie Sweet, highlighted their focus on client reinvention, and they've got 32 clients with bookings over $100 million. They're seeing strong growth in their cloud, security, and creative business divisions. Plus, they invested $6.6 billion in acquisitions during fiscal 2024, which certainly helps.
It sounds like they're making all the right moves. What's happening with Perplexity?
Perplexity is seeking up to $1 billion in funding, which could potentially double its valuation to $18 billion. They're seeing a surge in annual recurring revenue, now at $100 million, driven by competition in AI-powered search.
That's a huge leap. What are they planning to do with this funding?
They're expanding their product suite with new offerings like the agentic browser Comet, their own AI model, Sonar, and enterprise AI search tools. It's all about staying ahead in the rapidly evolving AI search arena.
Exciting times for them. What about OpenAI?
OpenAI has launched some advanced speech-to-text and text-to-speech models via its API. These models provide enhanced transcription accuracy and customizable voice styles for developers, which is great for making applications more versatile.
Customizable voice styles? That sounds fun. Are they planning anything else?
Definitely. They're looking at future improvements in audio intelligence, custom voices, and even video integration. It's all about making their AI capabilities more robust and user-friendly.
OpenAI never seems to slow down. So what's next?
Cohesity has expanded its Gaia data security platform to include AI-powered search for on-premises backup data, leveraging NVIDIA technology. This allows scalable, multilingual search across massive datasets while keeping data secure.
That's quite the innovation. How does this benefit their clients?
It really enhances data management efficiency and security, which are top priorities for any large organization handling vast amounts of information.
Absolutely. Now what's happening with Meta?
Meta has launched its AI assistant in the European Union across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, though with a reduced feature set due to GDPR. They're also testing AI-generated comment suggestions for Instagram.
I wonder how users will react to AI-generated comments. Could it affect engagement?
It's a double-edged sword, Mike. While it could boost engagement, there are concerns about authenticity and user experience. It'll be interesting to see how it unfolds.
Definitely one to watch. What's Microsoft up to?
Microsoft announced a 475 megawatt expansion in renewable solar power to support its data centers, particularly for AI workloads. They're also working on tracing data contributions in training generative AI models, addressing data attribution and fair compensation.
That's quite a commitment to sustainability. How does this initiative help Microsoft?
It not only supports their sustainability goals, but also ensures that their data centers can handle the increasing demands of AI processing without a hitch.
Makes sense. Now, let's talk about Airbyte.
Airbyte has released new connectors to help enterprises securely move data for AI applications, including support for unstructured data and Apache Iceberg compatibility. They've also launched an enterprise connector bundle for platforms like SAP and Workday.
Sounds like they're making data integration easier. How does this impact businesses?
It streamlines the process of integrating AI into existing systems, making it easier and more efficient for businesses to leverage AI technologies.
Very useful. And NVIDIA?
NVIDIA has co-formed the Open Power AI Consortium with EPRI and other partners to address AI's rising energy demands. They showcased new chip innovations like the Vera Rubin GPUs at GTC 2025 and introduced products like DGX Spark and DGX Station.
NVIDIA always seems to be at the forefront of innovation. Any concerns about their recent developments?
There were some investor concerns, evident by a temporary stock dip following their keynote. But NVIDIA's focus on addressing energy demands is crucial for sustainable AI growth.
Rightly so. What's ServiceNow up to?
ServiceNow introduced StarVector, a multimodal AI model for generating scalable vector graphics directly from text and images. They've open-sourced the model to encourage further development.
Open sourcing is always a good move for community engagement. What's Toyota's latest venture?
Toyota has established its first R&D center in Bengaluru, India, with plans to hire 1,000 engineers by 2027. They're focusing on clean and green technologies and collaborating with Suzuki on joint EV development.
Great to see such initiatives focused on sustainability. What's new with Oracle?
Oracle launched the Oracle AI Agent Studio for Fusion Cloud Applications users, enabling them to create and manage custom AI agents at no extra cost. It's packed with pre-built templates and extensive integration capabilities.
That should definitely empower their users. And Cognizant?
Cognizant is constructing a massive 14-acre immersive learning center in Chennai to train 100,000 individuals annually in AI skills, part of their broader commitment to upskill employees globally.
Training on such a large scale is impressive. What about Cloudflare?
Cloudflare unveiled Cloudy, its first AI agent in beta preview for its web application firewall and Cloudflare One products. It automates tasks like reviewing custom WAF rules and summarizing policy configurations.
Automation in security management sounds very promising. Now, what's this about the robotics startup 1X?
Robotics startup 1X plans to launch home testing for its humanoid robot, Neo Gamma, in several hundred to a few thousand households by the end of 2025. The trial will focus on privacy control for users.
A humanoid robot at home sounds fascinating. And finally, what's going on with Apple?
Apple is undergoing a leadership change for Siri development, with Vision Pro executive Mike Rockwell taking charge. They're facing criticism for Siri's performance and a class action lawsuit alleging false advertising of its Apple Intelligence features.
A lot on Apple's plate. Any other news we should mention?
Yes, a couple of interesting research topics. There's new research indicating AI models display language-specific censorship differences, and developers are using novel methods like Minecraft Benchmark to evaluate AI performance.
Those are some intriguing developments. Well, I think we've covered a lot today, Sarah.
We sure did, Mike. Thanks to everyone for tuning in to the AI Opus. We'll see you next time with more exciting AI updates.
Absolutely. Take care, everyone, and keep exploring the world of AI.
Bye, everyone. Stay curious.